What is good, you guys? Today we are going to Cars and Coffee. Last month's Cars and Coffee, oh, also we were taking the Beamer. Last month's Cars and Coffee was ridiculous. A bunch of import cars, super nice import cars were there, and a bunch of other sick cars were there. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Look at this RX-7, bro. Look at the body kit. Look how big the exhaust tips are. Dude. Right-hand drive. That's sick. That's sick. Bro, look at the canards in the front. The hood. Dude, this thing is sexy as fuck. Dude, this guy just started his car and he's already revving it. That's so bad for the engine. It's a cold start, bro. Dude, this thing has a nasty cam on it. Definitely some crazy cars here. Look at how wide these wheels are. And then if you look over here, look how sick these wides are. Or these wheels are, bro. Jesus. Evo. Bro, look at the fucking turbo on it. Looks like it's a 2JZ too. Fat intercooler. Dude, this is a rare view, bro. Seeing two Blitz 03s. Oh wait, never mind. These are not Blitz 03s. Why it's stalling like this, let me know down in the comments. So you see this basic Tesla, you look at this Tesla, it's got some sick pink wheels, and then you go to this one's pretty sick, and then you look at this black one, pretty nice green calibers right there. And then you look at this Model 3 over here, that sexy blue, definitely on bags. That thing's sick. Damn, that wing is pretty interesting. They just don't know what to do. Dude, what is she doing? Oh my god, this is terrible.